Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can put or how you can add Etsy link to your TikTok bio. This is very quick and easy. So if you want to drive some traffic from TikTok, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way, and I'm going to show you guys how you can grow your TikTok if you want. Like, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about how you can do that. Now, the first thing, you want to just copy the name of your shop, okay? Copy the name of your shop, open a new tab. If you are using phone, you can do the same steps, okay? Just open your Google Chrome or like Safari and do the same steps. After you add here the name of your shop, add to that name, add that, as you can see, that Etsy.com, okay? As you can see, the name of the store, .etsy.com. After that, you wanna click on Ctrl+C, okay? Or you wanna copy it manually like this, copy. And what you need to do, guys, next, you wanna open your TikTok. You can do the same steps on your phone, like I said. And after you open your TikTok, as you can see, you need to do, guys, is you wanna click on Edit Profile, okay? You can do the same steps on your phone. Open your TikTok and open your profile and click Edit Profile. Under your profile picture, you will find your edit profile, and what you need to do, guys, you want to paste here where it says bio, paste the link here and then click save. Now on your phone you will find your website, okay? If you have more than 1,000 followers, you will find your website and paste that link there, and then after that you want to click on save. And that's all you need to do, guys, to add a link of your TikTok, of your Etsy shop on your TikTok account. Now make sure you promote that. Make sure you promote your shop on your videos. Just tell your viewers that you have an Etsy shop linked like in the bio, so that people will click the link and then they can check your shop and then buy things that you have on your shop. So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.